reaching out for the light, never quite catching it, and all the frustration that I feel becomes too hard for me to deal. I feel like I'm walking in perfect circles, nothing here, nothing there, but I will get there in the end. I will get there in the end. It's like walking
Nice.